Hey friends, a lot of users have been asking about dark mode for Notepad on Windows. Then I'll help you with this. So if you open Notepad, it will replicate the theme of the system itself. Like I just opened Notepad and it is all in the light theme. Why? Because it is copying the system's theme. If I right click on the start button, settings, I go to personalization and I pick up a dark theme, then automatically Notepad becomes dark. But here's the thing, after the new updates, if you click on settings, in the app theme you can change it to the light mode, to the dark mode, or choose to use system settings. That is totally up to you. So if you want to use the dark mode, you can change it to the dark mode. If the system is in light mode, let me show you, this will remain dark. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.